If you're a toy and you're in love, it's okay. Don't be afraid of that. Really know the stuff. You know it's good for you. The doctor's gonna help you feel better. With the place to go. Make you feel a little hard under the weather. Then Doc McStuffins still will sing to get you way back in this way. Doc McStuffins, Doc McStuffins, how the visit began, the doc is in.
What? That was really good. What is Doc McStuffins about?
Mommy, let me sing Time for a Checkup.
Okay.
Time for a checkup. Listen to your heartbeat, fix you up, ready to go. Time for a checkup. It's okay if you giggle. This will only tickle a little. Check your ears, check your eyes, find out how much you go. Listen to your heartbeat, fix you up, ready to go. Time for a checkup. It's okay if you giggle. This will only tickle a little. Time for a checkup. Let me see. I feel better.
Okay.
I feel better, so much better. Thank you for taking all the options away. Didn't feel so good till I knew that you would. And I feel better, so much better now. Can I see them?
Well, I want you to tell me what Doc McStuffins is about. Is that your favorite show?
Yeah.
And what's it about?
A doctor fixing toys.
And what's her name?
Mommy!
Doc McStuffins?
Yeah.
And does she have any friends?
No.
Or nurses?
Yeah.
Who?
Hallie.
Hallie the Hippo is her nurse?
Yeah.
And who else?
And Chili and Stuffy and Lammy.
Oh, okay. Is that your favorite show?
Yeah.